Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Like I was out today, I'd gone for a meeting, and every second person is looking at you as if you're infected. And there is that mother nature which is there. So if we mess around with mother nature, तो ऐसे टपली पड़ती है पीछे में, तो सबको ऐसे टपली पड़ी है. Everybody's got a little pat on their heads that don't mess around with her. Like everybody was scared of what was happening around. But I think I was really grateful and really thankful to my security guards who were down there taking care of building. There's some characters that just stay with you, and I couldn't get the professor out of my head for I think days.
Exactly. Everybody.
I used to literally wear the glasses at home, and my wife used to say, just take them off. I'm gonna miss it the most, because this has been like the 10th year for my Ganpati. I was talking about it that I'm really gonna miss this celebration. I'll be doing this work, and I'll be writing this script, and I'll be acting this, and I'll एकदम फाड़ देंगे यार, amazing होगा यार, मतलब it'll be mind blowing. And 6 months, 7 months, we've been home. My wife and my family, they're very broad-minded. Not like typical कि अच्छा ये हाथ नहीं पकड़ना, किस नहीं करना, हाथ नहीं करना. या तो एक काम करो, आप घर बैठो, acting मत करो. So that's what I tell people, that if you have so many restrictions and so many inhibitions and so many ifs and buts, you rather sit at home.
How are you? How's life going on?
Great, yeah, fantastic. In the unlock phase of life and a new phase. Back to work meetings, back to listening to some interesting scripts, back to meeting some good people, new people. So we're hoping यार कि वापस से अभी काम काज शुरू हो, थोड़ा पैसे कमाएं और बोरियत से जो है, you're so bored of sitting at home. But luckily jokes apart, it's the last 4 months have not been too bad. It's been actually been good because post my marriage, I got some time with my wife, and I got some time with my house and with my dog, and just some meditation, some reading of books, watching web series, and writing some gratitude journals, and so it's all of that, and obviously cleaning the house, washing the dishes, and blah blah blah, all of that.
So it's been over 4 months. We are in lockdown. So how are you keeping your sanity? Like, कैसे maintained है इतनी?
Like I told you, it's just that I've kind of managed to maintain my sanity, because I think most people they've been very what should I say, very fidgety, very restless, not very optimistic, not very encouraging, but there have been some people who I've spoken to, and they've been very very inspiring, that it's okay. I mean, ठीक है, COVID है, no COVID, whatever. It's a new world. It's a new way to look at life. I think we are so used to, we're so dependent on our staff and our family and friends and work people, that we end up just waiting for them to do stuff, do things for us. It could be the household chores. It could be basic cleaning of the house and cooking, or so I think last 4 months we've also become a little independent. I think I've really enjoyed that process, and I think I've really enjoyed both Ripsy and myself. We've really enjoyed cooking, just basic cooking, also some exotic dishes, just talking, discovering so much about ourselves, and just spending time at home. It's important, because for me, my house was like a guest house. Just coming and sleeping and going. But now I've been seeing every corner of my house, and it feels so good. So I think it's been a kind of an eye opener, kind of a somewhere kind of a realization, somewhere kind of it has reinstated that there is more to life. I mean, there's more to work. There is more to work. There's more to life after work and before work. So for us, it's always working all the time. But it's great. I think I've really enjoyed these last 4 months, and I've also shot some interesting things around. I've written some stuff, a lot of live sessions, talking to my fans, which I never did. So like this, we've never done this before. So so I think it's been a new phase for everybody.
So cooking की बात हो रही थी, तो rate yourself, कितने बढ़िया शेफ है आप, क्या क्या बनाया आपने, कैसे?
I am not I am not a great chef. I'm good at just instructing things around. But I
Okay.
think Ripsy is a fabulous chef. I think which we didn't know, even she didn't know. So thanks to COVID, that we got to know that she can cook, and she can cook really well. And like I said, yeah, there was no staff, there was no cook around, there was no chef, there was no maid, no bhai, nothing at all. And uske beech mein rehna, it was not easy. But then
Yeah.
we managed pretty well, yeah. I think we've actually managed pretty well.
So you guys distributed like household work कि ये तो ये मैं या मिलके ही?
Yeah. I mean, there was a lot of just kind of allocating work to each other, and dividing and distributing, and kind of instructing that, okay, I do the cleaning today, you can do the cooking, and I'll do the dishes, and you can do something else. And so I think it was pretty much well organized, and I think it was well planned, and it was fab. Yeah, it was difficult, like I said, because we're so used to working.
Yeah.
It's just the work part which kind of got to me after some time. But apart from that, I think it's COVID has been like a great teaching phase for all of us, and I hope we've learned, because हम लोग बहुत ही जिद्दी हैं. Human breed is very stubborn, and we don't tend to adapt things easily, because we're so used to a certain pattern of things in life. But I think it's been a very silver lining to the entire dark cloud, that cooking and spending time and talking to friends and talking to family and video calls and Zoom parties and Zoom calls, and so all of that. It's been a different kind of communication, different kind of connection, a different kind of bonding. There's been no personal bonding, like it hasn't been a very touch bonding. There's no physical touch to it, but then it's just the virtual connection has been very strong. So a lot of so I think just meditation, praying, just being as positive as possible. Yeah.
Okay, Sharan, also बहुत जल्दी लाइफ वी ऑल आर प्रेइंग बैक टू नॉर्मल हो जाएगी, फिर से हम उसी जोन में जाने वाले हैं. तो कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो आपने इस दौरान नोटिस की हो कि लाइफ अब चाहे कितनी बिजी हो जाए आगे चल के, बट ये चीजें जो मैंने इस दौरान सीखी हैं, आई एम गोना कंटिन्यू दैट.
See, like I said, I think patience. I think that is something which I think most of us have realized. It's very important, because this has been like first time in, I think, the history of human race that the entire world was stopped literally. There was like a complete frozen period, a frozen moment for everybody in this world, and the entire globe was suffering from this epidemic rather. So I think it's been like a forceful, just staying at home even if you didn't want to. So I think patience, most importantly, I think understanding and accepting the fact that above everything else, there is that Mother Nature which is there. So if we mess around with Mother Nature, तो ऐसे टपली पड़ती है पीछे में, तो सबको ऐसे टपली पड़ी है. Everybody's got a little pat on their heads that don't mess around with her. And I think we should understand. I think, like I said, human breed is a very stubborn breed, and we don't understand very. So this was required. Though it was very, very, it's a very expensive process of learning for everybody. But I think this was needed. That there has to be like a cleansing of the planet, and a detoxifying of everything around, of us also. Because I'll tell you, Ashima, that something very interesting happened. I was practicing gratitude all these last few months. मैंने कभी नहीं किया था. I've never understood the value of thank you. I mean, we say thank you, but we don't mean it. So we say sorry, but we don't mean it. We just say, "Acha, sorry, acha, thank you." But it's very important to understand the intensity of it. That it's such a powerful word. I've been maintaining a journal every day still now, even after the lockdown is over. I have literally thanked people I've worked with in these last 15 years of my life. Most of my producers, most of my technicians, my DOPs, my spot boys, my makeup people, I have personally texted them saying thank you so much for taking such good care of me. जो हमने कभी नहीं किया आज तक. So because you realize that we are nothing, you know हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं है यार. हम लोग बोलते हैं कि यार ये स्टार है, वो सुपरस्टार है. It's bullshit. There's nothing. कुछ भी नहीं है. We all are the same. Okay, it's just that we need to realize that, you know, every person is very important. Be it a makeup man, be it a spot boy, be it a maid, be it a cook, be it a driver, be it a doodh wala. Everybody. I'm talking about even a security guard. You know, you need to treat him with a lot of respect. And we've realized that because, you know, these last 4 months we've been so dependent, you know, in a way also that you know, acha theek hai, you know, if the security guard was not there, like everybody was scared of, you know, what was happening around. But I think I was really grateful and really thankful to my security guards who were down there taking care of, you know, building. So, you know, the smallest of people to the highest post, I've just tried and kind of, you know, sent a thank you to them. And you know, surprisingly, I'll tell you, everybody has sent me a thank you back. You know, it could be my producers, it could be the technicians, everybody, my friends, everybody they've reverted back, and they've realized that, you know, that it's important to stick together, and it's important to understand that life is all about, it's just every moment is so important. So I think I've just understood the value of it, and then I'm hoping that things don't go back to the way they were. नहीं तो फिर कुछ नहीं हो सकता हमारा.
ना, you're right. ये कुछ जो टाइम है बहुत टफ टाइम है, सभी के लिए बहुत टफ टाइम है, और कोई भी अच्छी न्यूज़ सुनने को मिल ही नहीं रही है. And talking about the industry is also facing many losses in terms of human
True.
loss and financial
True.
loss. So
True.
how you see it? So what is your take on that? How do you see?
See, come to terms with the fact that it's been a very horrible year because we've lost some very, 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 very important people. I'm not talking about just celebrities. I'm talking about as humans. You know, great people, great human beings, fantastic talent. So we've lost some people that it's a very irreplaceable loss. I mean, you can't. They can't be a substitute for such people, you know. And yes, there were times when I felt really low and I felt really very depressed. That, you know, ye kya ho raha hai yaar? And I remember the 1st of January 2020. I was somewhere with my wife. We were vacationing in Turkey, and we were making plans. Ki, you know, 2020 mein to we were travel and we'll do this and we'll do that, and you know. I'll be doing this work and I'll be writing this script and I'll be acting this and I'll एकदम फाड़ देंगे यार, amazing होगा यार, मतलब it'll be mind blowing. And 6 months, 7 months, you know, we've been home. So it's not been a great start to the year. But having said that, you know, the next 6 months, we are hoping and we are praying that whatever we've been through, you know, we are hoping that all of us kind of feel better about the things that are coming in the future, in the next 6 months. And I mean, like I said, it's not been a great year financially also for I mean, globally I'm talking about, you know, economically, financially, monetarily, human lives, pandemics, cyclones, everything possible, you know. Like we were just talking, the only thing left right now is like a zombie attack and a world war. But और कुछ बाकी नहीं.
बचा नहीं है. हाँ.
Everything's happened. You know, so yeah. So I think 2020 is a year that we'll probably remember for the rest of our lives, and we're hoping that the worst is over, and we're looking to a very good second half where everybody is happy, prosperity, peaceful, happiness. You know, it's very important here because right now, like I said, if you go out, you know, there's a lot of fear which is there. Like I was out today, you know, I'd gone for a meeting, and you know, every second person is looking at you as if you're infected, you know, and you just look at the person as if he's infected, and so it's a very there's a lot of doubt in the air, there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of restlessness, there's a lot of anger, frustration, aggressiveness. So it's all of that, you know, and we are hoping that maybe next month or the month after that, you know, once Ganpati comes and all the festivals start, and you know, things get better and we just become like one big happy family, all of us, and work starts.
एंड
Yeah,
ऑल्सो इस साल तो शायद गणपति भी सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर सकते, ऐसी कुछ न्यूज आ रही है, या फिर आपको घर पे रहकर ही बहुत लिमिटेड उसमें सेलिब्रेट करना पड़ेगा विद टू मेनी प्रिकॉशंस एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड हर साल वी यूज्ड टू कम टू योर हाउस, वी यूज्ड टू सेलिब्रेट
I know.
गणपति, यू गेटिंग गणपति और गणपति का विसर्जन तक मीडिया वाज ऑलवेज अराउंड यू, वाज ऑलवेज
Correct,
विद
correct,
यू.
correct.
So we, of course, we all gonna miss this.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna miss it the most, yeah, because this being like the 10th year for my Ganpati. I was talking about it that I'm really gonna miss the celebrations, and I'm still hoping, I'm still praying that a miracle happens and everything is back to normal, and the
Yeah.
vaccine is out, and we all like you, the entire family, everybody is together, and the media family and everybody, and we're celebrating it. So I'm just hoping, I like I said, I like to be a little optimistic about it. So I've not thought about exactly that, about a very lesser celebration, because every year it was a celebration with a lot of pomp and joy, a lot of
Yeah.
prasad, sweets and all of that, and bringing him home with a lot of band, baja, barat and all that. So
Yeah.
I'm hoping this year also it's the same. The intensity might reduce, definitely, because like I said, there's a lot of fear right now. People are very scared. But I will be celebrating for sure. Yes.
Yeah. एंड ऑल्सो व्हाट इज अ टेक, क्योंकि इस दौरान मैंने जो नोटिस किया है, शायद सब आपने भी किया होगा, देयर आर टू काइंड ऑफ पीपल. एक जो जिन्हें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कोरोना क्या है, इट्स ओके, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. कुछ लोग हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा परेशान है, बहुत पैनिक होते हैं, अरे मतलब दे आर टेकिंग सो मेनी प्रिकॉशंस एंड ऑल. सो व्हाट इज योर टेक ऑन दैट, लाइक व्हाट, हाउ यू फॉलोइंग योर स्केड्यूल एंड व्हाट आर प्रिकॉशंस यू टेकिंग एंड व्हाट यू लाइक टू से टू द पीपल?
See, it's definitely, you have to be cautious about it. You can't be so so callous about it. You can't be so casual. I mean, it's an epidemic, and it's quite life threatening, if you see.
Yeah.
So I think it's important to be well prepared, and it's important to take precautions. But having said that, I think we have to live our lives. We've been home for 4 months. 5 months rather, and somewhere, like I said, economically also it's not been too great. For like a majority of us, I'm not just talking about the celebrity, the actor community. I'm talking about the entertainment sector, the media sector, the corporate sector. Every sector I'm talking about. So I think somewhere we have to take a chance. We have to step out of the house, like. We've started with our work meetings now. Like I've also started, but then we're very careful about it. We wear a mask, we wear gloves, we keep sanitizing ourselves. We have to be careful. I mean, and the people who are not, I think it's being a little stupid, because you have to. You can't just walk out on the streets without a mask. And that is like your. I mean, it's your life at stake, and the other person also. So you're actually putting the other person's life at stake. So actually, you need to be a little responsible and just follow the protocols like the government said, and just be careful. Yeah, it's important to. I mean, like I said, you could be asymptomatic, but the other person maybe could just be vulnerable, and the immunity might not be as great as yours. So it's important that you take care, and the other person also has to take care. It's like a chain reaction.
Yeah.
But it's important. You can't just walk out without a mask. I think it's stupid.
And also on work note, if I'll ask you if you want to share something on work note, what's happening? Meeting to करने गए थे, but meeting to हुई है, but on work note which you can share with your fans, something which you can share.
Yeah. I think definitely. Yeah, like I said, I'm just dying to get back to work. There's some very interesting projects which are in the pipeline right now. I am kind of I won't say they've been finalized, but they're in those very finalizing stages, and I'm hoping and I'm praying that that maybe something. I mean, this time it's kind of something different. Which I mean, my fans have seen and viewers have seen me doing a lot of daily soap and a lot of husband characters and boyfriend and romance and all of that, running around trees. But I think I want to do something different now. So let's hope, it's something interesting which I can kind of get, and something interesting, which I can enjoy also myself. So yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong. I think you planning to like you want to be a part of some web series or something, or you want to switch to OTT platform?
OTT platform definitely is the current fad right now. Is the current thing right now, and people are like really watching a lot of web series. So am I. But I think for me, I've always said television is like my first love, and pehla pyar hi hota hai. You can't deny that. I definitely want to do a web series. I've already done like a web series which I had done like one episode, which I really enjoyed, and which apparently also happened to win an award also. So it was like a nice response to it, but I'm still kind of contemplating. I'm listening to a lot of very interesting scripts right now. I'm meeting people for web series, in talks for some television shows also. So जो पहला हो जाए अच्छा हो जाए, like I said, something interesting, something which I've not done also.
Okay, but एक hesitation रहता है actors को क्योंकि web is always bold. So are you open for that? Like, are you okay if script demands?
Yeah, the script demands. Why not? Yeah, I think as an actor, you have to perform. So I think luckily, I think my wife and my family, they're very broad-minded. Not like typical कि अच्छा ये हाथ नहीं पकड़ना, किस नहीं करना, हग नहीं करना. या तो एक काम करो, आप घर बैठो, acting मत करो. So that's what I tell people, that if you have so many restrictions and so many inhibitions and so many ifs and buts, you rather sit at home. As an actor, if the script demands, we have to do it. Maybe what we can do is we can shoot it in a very aesthetic manner, and so it doesn't look cheap. But I think apart from that, I think if the character demands and script demands, we have to do it.
And are you binge watching anything right now?
Yes, I was. I've been watching a lot of stuff here, a lot of different stuff. Actually, I just finished watching. Actually, currently I'm watching this. What is that? I finished watching 13 Reasons Why. I finished watching Sabrina. I finished watching Patal Lok. I want to watch Arya. I've heard it's great.
Yeah, it's nice. You should watch.
Yeah. I think I've been watching Toy Boy, and it's been like all different kind of genres, man. So what else? Yeah, I've been watching movies and some zombie flicks. Some dark stuff, some edgy stuff, some happy stuff. So it's been a very mixed bag. I watched The Conjuring. I watched The Nun. Then I watched, The Edge. So it's been a lot of different. Then I watched meeting. What was that? It's been a lot of different comedy and thrillers, and it's like The Negotiator, meeting the parents, so all of that, and so it's not just like one genre, but I'm really enjoying my binge watching phase right now, and till time permits, I think uske baad to I'm sure we'll not get any time for it.
And also, any series you want to be part of?
Yes, I think I had also written about this very interesting series which really caught me by surprise, was Money Heist. I think shot brilliantly. It was on my Instagram, which I had written. I think there are shows, and there are some shows which just stay with you, and there's some characters that just stay with you. And I couldn't get the professor out of my head for I think days.
Exactly. Everybody.
I used to literally wear the glasses at home, and my wife used to say, "Just take them off." What are you doing? So, there are some characters who are like, they're so affable, and they're like, they have this very magnetic aura and personality. They just stay with you. So Money Heist was there, and then I think I was watching also The House of Cards. Then I was watching Breaking Bad, Narcos. So all of these, it's like a mixed bag. But for me, I think my pick would be Money Heist, definitely.
Yeah, even I finished that series in like almost for like 48 hours. I was not stopping.
I couldn't finish 48 hours because I would go mad.
मुझे पता नहीं चलता था 9 बज गए, सुबह के 10 बज गए. I was like, मैंने कहा देखते रहो, because so end ऐसी जगह पे होता था episode, you can't stop yourself. So
you should watch 13 Reasons Why. You love it.
I've seen 2 seasons. I've seen.
Watch the other two also. Yeah,
I think I've seen 3 seasons. I think the new season is up right now, so I have to watch that. Yeah. So I'm gonna watch it. But I love the first season the most.
The first season was fab, definitely.
Yeah. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Thanks,
and thank you so much. And lastly, what you'd like to say to the fans, to the viewers of India Forums?
Nothing. Yeah, just it's not been a great year. it's not been a great start to the year. So I'm hoping that just stay optimistic, feel good about life, try and be as thankful to all the things that you have around. Could be folks, friends, family, work, all of that, and be positive, and everything will be great. Yeah, and keep watching me. Yeah, whatever I'm doing, good, bad, ugly, please watch it and let me know, so I know what
Yes.
to do, what not to do.
And also, I've seen few of your pictures on social media. Are you working on your body, and is it for something, some project, or like to keep
Yeah,
yourself fit?
I'm currently working on something.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I am working on something, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to bring it to you guys soon.
Okay. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Thank you,
Thank you so
Emma.
much. And please stay safe. और
You
घर पे ही
too.
रहो,
Stay
जितनी
safe, stay
मीटिंग्स होती
home.
हैं ऐसी जूम
Don't go
कॉल
out
पे ही
much.
निपटाओ.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.